The most technically amazing part about Station to me is the fact that there were pieces built in Europe, pieces built in Japan, pieces built in Russia, pieces built in the United States, and none of those pieces saw or were attached to each other here on the ground. They all found each other for the first time up on orbit, and everything attached and assembled and went together just fine with no problems at all, really. And being able to do that, again, speaks to the engineering and the cooperation between the partnership and the ability to find ways to solve problems and integrate things and figure out how you verify that this is all going to work together without taking the entire European lab and bringing it over to the US to attach to the node. And because of the timing of things, you couldn't. Most of the pieces were built and the pieces they were attaching to were already on orbit. So it was, to me, that's one of the most amazing aspects of, it's putting your Legos together when they were built by countries all over the world, and you ship them all to one person and say, here, go ahead and make this model. And the model was made in space by the crew, and it was an astounding engineering feat.